how to fix your Amazon Alexa having a problem connecting to your setup device. So if you see this error on your Alexa app, it usually means your phone can't reach the device over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or the other way around. So of course, make sure your Alexa device and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then restart both your router and the Alexa device. To do that, you could unplug the device for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. You can turn off your mobile data temporarily and of course, keep only your Wi-Fi on, then reopen the Alexa app. You can also toggle Bluetooth off and on. Make sure your location permissions are enabled for the app since Alexa uses it during setup. So if it asks you to allow permissions, just go ahead and allow it. And if the issue does continue, open the Alexa app, go ahead to your devices, go to its settings, its Wi-Fi, and then change. You can reconnect it to your network as well. And if it still won't connect, you could try removing the device from the app and then set it up again as a new device. Basically doing the reconnection process from scratch, making sure you're logged into the correct Amazon account as well. And one last thing you can do is to just factory reset your Alexa device as well, and then again reconnect from scratch. So those are a few things you can try. Hopefully this helps, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.